In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 frugal living habits that you can't afford to miss. These are tried and tested methods that have helped countless people save money, reduce debt, and live more fulfilling lives. Habit 1. Cut down on monthly expenses. Let's face it, monthly expenses can quickly add up and leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. But what if I told you that you can cut down on your expenses without sacrificing your quality of life? It's true, and I'm here to show you how. Firstly, take a look at your subscription services. Are you paying for memberships that you hardly use? Cancel those unnecessary subscriptions and put that money towards something that truly brings you joy. Trust me, your bank account will thank you. Next, evaluate your grocery bill. Do you find yourself throwing away expired food or buying too much of what you don't need? Plan your meals ahead of time and make a grocery list to avoid impulse purchases. And don't forget to check out sales and coupons for extra savings. Another area to focus on is your energy bill. Unplug electronics when not in use, turn off lights when leaving a room, and adjust your thermostat to save on heating and cooling costs. These small changes can make a big impact on your monthly expenses. Lastly, consider downsizing your living space or finding a roommate to split costs. It may seem daunting, but it can also lead to a more minimalist and fulfilling lifestyle. Habit 2. Save money on groceries. Firstly, consider shopping in bulk for non-perishable items. This can help you save money in the long run and reduce the number of trips you make to the store. Plus, who doesn't love having a fully stocked pantry? Next, embrace seasonal produce. Not only is it often cheaper, but it's also more flavorful and nutritious. Check out your local farmer's market for fresh, locally sourced produce that won't break the bank. Another tip is to buy generic or store brand items. They're often just as good as name brand products and can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, many stores offer rewards programs or coupons for their own brand products. Lastly, don't be afraid to plan your meals around what's on sale. Take a look at your grocery store's weekly ad and build your meals around the discounted items. It's a great way to switch up your meals and save money at the same time. Habit 3. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse buying can be a serious drain on your finances, but it's not always easy to resist the temptation of a flashy purchase. If you're struggling to curb your spending, consider these tips to help you avoid impulse purchases. To start, try to identify your triggers. Is there a certain time of day or a particular mood that makes you more susceptible to impulse buying? Once you've identified your triggers, you can work on developing coping mechanisms to help you resist the urge to spend. Another tip is to create a shopping list before you go to the store. Stick to the list and avoid browsing aisles that don't have items you need. This can help you stay focused and reduce the chances of making an impulse purchase. Next, try to separate your emotional state from your purchasing decisions. Are you buying something because it will genuinely make you happy, or because you're feeling down and want a quick pick-me-up? Being mindful of your emotional state can help you make more rational and intentional purchasing decisions. Additionally, consider leaving your credit cards at home and only bringing cash with you when you go out. This can help you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Habit 4. Embrace secondhand shopping. One of the biggest benefits of secondhand shopping is the opportunity to reduce your carbon footprint. By purchasing used items, you're diverting them from ending up in landfills and giving them a second life. It's a small but impactful way to contribute to a more sustainable future. Additionally, secondhand shopping can be a great way to find unique pieces that you won't find in a typical retail store. From vintage clothing to antique furniture, the possibilities are endless. It can be a fun and rewarding experience to hunt for that perfect item and bring it home to enjoy. And of course, secondhand shopping is a budget-friendly option for those looking to save money. You can often find high-quality items at a fraction of the cost of their brand new counterparts. Plus, you can feel good about your purchases knowing that you're supporting small businesses and individuals instead of large corporations. So why not give secondhand shopping a try? You might be surprised at what treasures you'll find and the impact you'll make on both your wallet and the planet. Habit 5. Cook more meals at home. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you liked this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. There's something special about cooking a meal from scratch. Not only does it fill your home with delicious smells, but it also gives you a sense of pride and accomplishment. But did you know that cooking more meals at home can also help you save money and improve your overall health? For starters, cooking at home can be much more affordable than dining out at restaurants or ordering takeout. You have control over the ingredients you use and can choose more cost-effective options without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Plus, you can make larger portions and enjoy leftovers for lunch or dinner throughout the week. But the benefits of cooking at home go beyond just saving money. You also have more control over the nutritional value of your meals. You can choose to use fresh, whole ingredients and avoid added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excess sodium. This can lead to improved digestion, higher energy levels, and better overall health. And let's not forget about the emotional benefits of cooking at home. It can be a relaxing and therapeutic activity, allowing you to unwind after a long day and express your creativity in the kitchen. Plus, sharing a homemade meal with loved ones can create memories and strengthen relationships. Habit 6. Practice minimalism. In a world that constantly bombards us with messages of consumerism and excess, practicing minimalism can be a refreshing and empowering way to simplify your life and find true happiness. Minimalism is about intentionally choosing to live with less and focusing on what truly brings value and joy to your life. It's about decluttering your space, your mind, and your priorities to make room for what really matters. When you practice minimalism, you're not just freeing up physical space, but also mental and emotional space. You're letting go of the things that weigh you down and holding on to only what truly brings you happiness and fulfillment. Minimalism can also be a powerful tool for saving money and reducing financial stress. When you stop chasing after material possessions and instead focus on what you truly need, you'll find that your expenses decrease and your savings increase. Plus, by being more intentional with your purchases, you can choose to support sustainable and ethical brands that align with your values. But the benefits of minimalism go beyond just saving money. It can also improve your mental health, reduce stress and anxiety, and give you a greater sense of purpose and fulfillment in life. Habit 7. Make use of free resources. In a world where everything seems to come with a price tag, it's easy to overlook the abundance of free resources available to us. But by making use of these resources, we can save money, learn new skills, and expand our horizons without breaking the bank. One great way to access free resources is to take advantage of your local library. Libraries are a treasure trove of knowledge and entertainment, offering everything from books and magazines to movies and music. And with the rise of digital libraries, you can access these resources from anywhere, at any time. Another way to access free resources is to take advantage of online learning platforms. Many websites offer free courses and tutorials on a wide range of topics, from coding and web design to cooking and photography. And with the flexibility of online learning, you can fit these courses into your schedule and learn at your own pace. Don't forget about the power of networking and community building either. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you can access a wealth of knowledge and resources that can help you save money and achieve your goals. Attend local events and meetups, join online communities, and reach out to others who share your interests and passions. Habit 8. Save money on entertainment. Entertainment is an essential part of life, but it doesn't have to come at a high cost. There are many ways to save money on entertainment without sacrificing the quality of your experiences. One way to save money on entertainment is to explore free or low-cost activities in your area. Look for local events, festivals, and fairs that offer free admission or have a low-cost entrance fee. You can also check out parks and other outdoor spaces, which often have free activities and events throughout the year. Another way to save money on entertainment is to consider alternative options to expensive outings. For example, instead of going to the movies, have a movie night at home with friends or family. You can also consider renting movies from your local library or streaming services for a fraction of the cost of going to the theater. If you're a fan of live performances, consider attending community theater shows, school plays, or open mic nights. These events often offer a unique and intimate experience, and they're usually much more affordable than professional productions. Don't forget about the power of creativity either. Rather than buying expensive craft supplies or equipment, try using household items and repurposing old items for new projects. You can also explore free online resources for DIY projects and creative inspiration. Habit 9. Use cashback and rewards programs. One of the easiest ways to start earning cashback is by using credit cards with cashback rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback on certain categories like groceries, gas, or dining out. By using these cards for your everyday expenses, you can earn cashback on every purchase. Another way to earn cashback is by using cashback websites and apps. These services partner with retailers to offer cashback on purchases made through their platform. Simply shop as you normally would, and the cashback will be credited to your account. Rewards programs are another great way to save money on purchases. Many retailers offer rewards programs that allow you to earn points for every purchase you make. These points can then be redeemed for discounts, free merchandise, or other rewards. Don't forget about loyalty programs too. Many businesses offer loyalty programs that reward customers for their continued patronage. By signing up for these programs, you can earn discounts, freebies, and other perks just for being a loyal customer. Habit 10. DIY and repurpose. Do you love to create and transform things with your own hands? If so, DIY and repurposing could be the perfect way to save money and express your creativity. The possibilities for DIY projects are endless. From furniture to clothing to home decor, you can create almost anything you can imagine. Not only is it a fun and satisfying hobby, but it can also save you money compared to buying new items. Repurposing is another great way to save money and reduce waste. Instead of throwing away old or broken items, you can give them new life by transforming them into something new. For example, an old ladder can be turned into a bookshelf or a set of shelves, and old jars can be used as storage containers. The benefits of DIY and repurposing go beyond just saving money. By using your creativity and imagination, you can create one-of-a-kind items that are truly unique and personalized. Plus, you'll be doing your part to reduce waste and promote sustainability. It's time to reflect on what we've learned. Adopting frugal living habits can seem daunting at first, but it's important to remember that every small change can make a big difference in the long run.